just came here. Where have you been here?
I am calling for always being in my house.
No, madam, you are a liar.
Oh, enough is enough. Now I am calling to police station.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I will stay here. I will stay here. Okay.
Where is my phone? Hello, police station.
No, it is Food Panda. What can I do for you, ma'am? Yes.
Are you kidding to me?
Sorry, ma'am. Yes, of course, it is police station. So, what can I do for you, ma'am?
Sir, he is always speaking, disturbing, hooting, wrestling, and today it has crossed the limits. Sir, please arrest him.
Relax, relax, ma'am. Who is the person?
Sir, my neighbor is very annoying to me. I'm worried about that.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, I understand. So, give me your locations. I will come there right now.
My address is Officer Colony, flat number 208. Please come fast.
Okay, ma'am. I will come in 15 minutes. Thank you.
Please come in. Let's see how much.
Okay, I am staying here.
Okay, let's
Do you
see.
know me?
Okay.
Madam, do you know me? You realize my brother is sitting here.
Sir, he is the police guard. I'm worried about that.
Hello, mister.
Yes. Yes,
What are you
sir.
doing here?
This is my.
This is her place, not yours.
Do you know me?
No, I don't know you. And I'm not interested to know you.
Do you my brother? Please leave my hand. Please leave my hand. Please stay here. Please stay here. I am calling my brother. Please. Hello. Where is Ramda? Please come. Ramda, please come. Please come. This country is free here.
Hey, Ramu Kaka. Take him out. This guy.
Okay, boss. Hey, come on. Come on, please.
What is this matter?
Yes, sit down.
Please. This matter.
So, Mr. Munaf, what's the matter? Can you
Sir,
please
for
elaborate?
same timing, I have to right to say something.
Okay, I listen to you.
I defend myself because. May I call to brother?
Okay, sure.
His phone.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. Miss Iman, if you don't mind, can you please come here? Because I registered your complaint. The matter of yesterday. Okay. Okay. I'll wait. Okay, Miss Sunha, I have called her. She is coming.
You have already called my brother. He is coming.
Okay, merci.
You, I will break your mouth.
Madam, you are
Please
liar.
consider your age.
Ma'am, relax,
Sorry,
relax.
sir.
Please sit here. So, ma'am, what's the matter? Can you please elaborate?
Officer, whatever I told, please learn.
Okay.
Hey, officer.
Yes.
Why did you arrest my brother?
The lady next to you complains about this guy. This man annoying so many times.
My brother said she liar.
No.
You know who I am?
I'm not liar, okay?
You know who I am?
I'm not interested to know.
Do you know
I
my
am
brother?
I am not
I am the MLA of Banana Party.
What's
I am the MLA of Banana Party. This is my area. This is my yard.
It doesn't matter who you are. I'm not worried about it. Please sit down and take some statement.
Brother, he is beat to me. Please say this. Please see this.
Why did you beat my brother?
Because he misbehaved so many times. And I will
Respect
teach
him.
a lesson.
Sir,
If
but
you
not
don't, if you not
She is a
behave
liar.
like that person, I will teach you. Hey,
No need.
why did you bring the water?
Hey, no need.
Please get out. So, Mr. M&A,
Yes.
what did you want right now? Ma'am, it's your choice. It's your opinion. If you
What is the proof? My brother teased you.
I have in my phone.
Please show me. Bro, what is this? What is this?
It's my mistake.
Sorry to her.
Madam, sorry. Next time I'll be careful.
Ma'am, it's your choice. If you register a complaint for this person, I will do that. But if you
Sir,
want
one more-
apology,
Sir, one more thing. He always didn't enter a bit.
okay, I will ask his brother. If you want to apology, he can do that. But if you want some FIR or something complaints, so I will register. What's your choice?
Sir. Okay, sir. I want him to apologize.
So, Mr. Munaf,
Yes, Inspector.
please apologize.
Sorry, madam.
It's okay.
Ma'am,
I accept my request.
it is fine.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, sir, I will disturb you, and I'm really apology to my behavior. And that's it. That's all out. Okay.
Okay, sir. I understand this situation and don't involve these media.
Okay, sir. Don't worry about it. But sir, one thing remember, don't underestimate the power of common people.
Okay.
And you teach him a good lesson. Otherwise, I will arrest it again.
Bro, don't do this again.
Excuse me. Don't do that again, okay?
Okay, madam.
Okay, thank you.